How to reduce your taxes with the 401k. This is the simplest tax planning out there. A lot of you have access to 401ks too as well, and it is literally this simple. I'm going to just give it to you straight. So for math, if you make $40,000 a year on paper through your job or your employer, basically you pay taxes on about 25% of that is the typical standard-ish, let's say for math again. Remember, there's federal and there's state taxes if that's applicable to you. So depends where you live too as well. If you live in a state where taxes are higher than New York, California, Hawaii, Illinois, etc., then even more bonus points and why you want to use a traditional pre-tax 401k to help you save taxes right now. So the math on that is you make $40,000 a year on paper. If you don't do your 401k, then 25% of the 40 grand you make is $10,000, and that's how much you pay in taxes roughly. Now, if you start small and you just put maybe 5% into your 401k, that is $2,000 of your $40,000 a year salary. And that that $2,000 was deducted pre-tax straight into your account, which is a huge bonus because obviously with compounding and growth and being invested, that 401k will reward you in so many other ways down the road. But for now, just the tax benefits of that is what we're discussing. So this lowers your taxable income from 40 grand a year down to $38,000 on paper. Now at that same 25% tax bracket, you only owe $9,500 instead of $10,000 in taxes, a savings of $500 currently. Not bad. Pull this thing out. The max currently for 2023 that you can contribute into a 401k is $22,500. And every year this increases a bit as it's indexed for inflation. So if you were to max out that 401k and you're in the 25% tax bracket, that would save you $5,625. That's insane. So you really, truly, when it comes to tax planning, get rewarded big time by contributing to your retirement accounts. Just do that. Start there. Taxes are going to be your biggest expense in life. When you break down a budget, I go through all this stuff. It's not so much your Starbucks addiction or habits. It's not your subscriptions on Netflix or whatever too. It is literally taxes. Because if you think about it, again, most of us are paying somewhere in the 25% range on taxes. That's nuts. That is your biggest expense on your personal finance P&L. Focus hard on that. Happy tax planning.